Hello YouTubers, here is our 148th design of the year. This is our first design, 10 weeks ahead. Again, Chum and I are up here in a hotel up by the hospital where Jason's at. He had appendicitis, perforation. And I can't sleep, so I brought a couple designs we were going to do this week, and I figured why not just do them. We'll put them out like this. So, this is the Black Ranger's Axe. This is based on the vintage Power Rangers. It's our 148th design of the year. The first one, 10 weeks ahead. Pretty cool. Pretty cool once I get it all finished up. Jason did this design too. Alright, if you like the design, make sure you smash the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and ring bells. We do have a lot of content coming out this year. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless.